If you want to add your Facebook link to X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to direct your followers from your X profile straight to your Facebook page, personal profile, or business account. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com and log in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click your profile icon. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can update your account details and add your link. Now that you're on your profile, look toward the top right area of the page and click the Edit Profile button. This opens your profile settings where you can make changes to your name, bio, profile photo, and website link. Next, scroll down until you find the website field. This is the section where you can add an external link to your profile. Click inside that field, then paste your full Facebook URL. Make sure the link is correct and includes the full address so people can open it without any issues. If you're adding a Facebook page for your business, double check that you copied the right page link. If you're adding your personal Facebook profile, make sure privacy settings allow people to view it the way you want. Taking a second to verify the link now can save you from having to come back and edit it again later. Once your Facebook link is pasted in, look for the Save button and click it. X will update your profile and your Facebook link should now appear on your page for visitors to see. After saving, it's a good idea to refresh your profile and confirm that the link shows up correctly. And that's it. You've now added your Facebook link to your X profile. This is a great way to connect your social accounts and make it easier for people to find you across platforms. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.